Ever wondered how to start investing in Bitcoin? Well, you're not alone. Bitcoin, the first and most recognized form of cryptocurrency, has been making waves in the financial world since its inception in 2009. Created by an unknown individual or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin operates on an innovative technology called blockchain. This decentralized peer-to-peer network has revolutionized the way we perceive and handle money. Over the years, Bitcoin has grown from being a niche interest to a globally accepted financial asset, with a market value that has reached staggering heights. Its importance in today's financial landscape simply can't be overstated. This video will provide a clear step-by-step guide that will help you navigate through the exciting yet complex world of Bitcoin investing. From understanding the basics, setting up your wallet, to managing and growing your investment, we've got you covered. Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin investing? Stay tuned. Before making your first investment, understanding the basics is key. Let's set the stage with blockchain technology. Picture an open digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. This ledger is secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant. It's like the diary of the internet that everyone can read, but no one can erase or modify. This is blockchain technology, and it's the backbone of Bitcoin. Now, onto decentralization. Traditional currencies are controlled by central banks. But Bitcoin? It's a rebel. It operates on a decentralized network, meaning no single entity has control over it. This decentralization is a key feature of Bitcoin, making it resistant to censorship or interference from governments or corporations. Next, we have the miners. No, they're not digging for gold. These are people or groups of people who use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These solutions validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. As a reward, miners receive new bitcoins, which also serves as the only way new bitcoins are created. But let's not sugarcoat it. Bitcoin is volatile. Its price can swing wildly in a matter of hours. This volatility can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, you could make significant profits if the price goes up. On the other hand, you could also face substantial losses if the price drops. This roller coaster ride is part of the Bitcoin investing experience. It's not for the faint of heart. However, it's important to remember that risk and reward are two sides of the same coin. While Bitcoin's volatility can lead to potential losses, it also presents opportunities for substantial gains. Many early investors have seen their initial investments multiply many times over. Investing in Bitcoin is not about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the technology, believing in its potential, and being ready for a bumpy ride. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and like any game, it's crucial to understand the rules before you start playing. With the basics under your belt, it's time to prepare for your first Bitcoin investment. To start investing, you'll first need a Bitcoin wallet. Think of a Bitcoin wallet as your personal interface to the Bitcoin network, which operates much like your online bank account. There are primarily three types of Bitcoin wallets: software, hardware, and paper wallets. Software wallets are applications that you can download onto your computer or smartphone. They are convenient and user-friendly, making them ideal for beginners. However, they can be vulnerable to malware or hacking. On the other hand, hardware wallets are physical devices similar to a USB stick. They store your Bitcoin offline, providing an additional layer of security. While they are more secure, they can be a bit pricier and less convenient to use. Lastly, we have paper wallets. These are physical printouts of your public and private keys. They offer a high level of security as they are immune to hacking and can be stored safely. However, they can be easily lost or damaged and are not recommended for beginners. Setting up a wallet is relatively straightforward. For software and hardware wallets, you'll need to download the application or set up the device, then create a new wallet. Remember, it's crucial to secure and back up your wallet keys. These keys are the only way to access your Bitcoin, and losing them means losing your investment. Now that you've set up a Bitcoin wallet, you're ready to buy some Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is simpler than you might think. It almost feels like purchasing something from your favorite online store. The first step is to find a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as a digital marketplace where you can buy or sell Bitcoin using your local currency or other cryptocurrencies. Once you've chosen the exchange that suits your needs, you'll need to create an account. This is akin to signing up for a new email or social media account. You'll provide some basic information, choose a username and password, and perhaps go through a verification process to ensure your identity. Now comes the exciting part: depositing funds into your account. This process varies from exchange to exchange, but generally, you can deposit funds through bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or even other cryptocurrencies. Some exchanges may require a minimum deposit, so be sure to check the terms and conditions. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the trading platform on your exchange, find Bitcoin, and click on Buy. You'll be asked to enter the amount you wish to purchase. Remember, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. Bitcoin is divisible, and you can buy a fraction of a Bitcoin for as little as a few dollars. This flexibility makes Bitcoin accessible to all, regardless of budget. When you're satisfied with the amount, click on Confirm to execute the purchase order. The exchange will handle the rest, matching your purchase order with a seller. Once the transaction is complete, your newly acquired Bitcoin will appear in your account. It's important to note that while the process is relatively straightforward, it's crucial to always be cautious. Ensure you're using a secure internet connection and never share your account details with anyone. Congratulations, you've just bought your first Bitcoin, but what's next? Well, the journey is just beginning. The world of Bitcoin investing is full of opportunities and challenges, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Investing in Bitcoin isn't just about buying and holding, it's about engaging with the market, understanding its ebbs and flows, and making informed decisions based on that understanding. Let's start with monitoring the market. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, and its value can fluctuate wildly in a short period. This volatility can be intimidating, but it's a part of the crypto world. Keeping an eye on market trends and news can help you understand these fluctuations and make informed investment decisions. Now let's talk about setting investment goals. Are you investing for short-term gains or long-term growth? Your goals will influence your strategy. For short-term gains, you might want to buy Bitcoin when its price is low and sell when it's high. But for long-term growth, you might want to hold on to your Bitcoin and let it appreciate over time. This brings us to adjusting your strategy based on market conditions. If the market is bullish, you might want to invest more. But if it's bearish, you might want to hold back. It's important to stay flexible and adapt your strategy as the market changes. Next, let's discuss dollar cost averaging. This is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money in Bitcoin at regular intervals, regardless of its price. This way, you buy more Bitcoin when its price is low and less when it's high. Over time, this can reduce the impact of Bitcoin's volatility on your investment. Finally, let's talk about diversification. While Bitcoin is a promising asset, it's not the only one out there. By investing in other cryptocurrencies or even traditional assets like stocks and bonds, you can spread your risk and potentially increase your returns. Remember, successful Bitcoin investing requires patience and discipline. It's not about getting rich quick, but about making smart decisions and sticking to your strategy. So keep learning, stay informed, and happy investing. Let's recap what we've learned about Bitcoin investing. We embarked on a journey through the dynamic world of Bitcoin, beginning with understanding its basics. We discovered that Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, meaning it isn't controlled by any government or central bank. It's based on blockchain technology, which ensures secure and transparent transactions. Next, we navigated the process of setting up a Bitcoin wallet. It's your digital bank account, where you can store, send, and receive Bitcoin. We learned that there are various types of wallets, each with its own set of features and security levels. Choosing the right one depends on your specific needs and preferences. Then, we dived into buying Bitcoin. We saw that it can be purchased through exchanges, peer-to-peer transactions, or even Bitcoin ATMs. It's crucial to keep an eye on market trends and volatility, as they play a significant role in determining the best time to buy. Finally, we explored how to manage and grow your Bitcoin investment. We discussed the importance of diversification, regular monitoring, and long-term planning. It's not just about buying low and selling high, but also about understanding the market dynamics and making informed decisions. Investing in Bitcoin can be rewarding, but always remember to do your research and invest responsibly. We hope you found this information useful, and to support us, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.